When Rome fell, the lights didn't just flicker. They went out. Europe plunged into the Dark Ages. The protection of the legions was gone. The laws were gone. In this vacuum, only the strong survived. Or rather, the ruthless. Enter King Clovis of the Franks. He didn't build a kingdom on diplomacy. He rose to power through cunning and treachery. He conquered lands from the Pyrenees to Central Europe, not just by fighting enemies, but by eliminating rivals. He was brilliant, but he was a butcher. Centuries later, a new giant emerged from the chaos. Charlemagne, or Charles the Great. He reunited large areas of the old Western Roman Empire. But Charlemagne knew that conquest was easy, control was hard. So he created the Missi Dominici, royal officials sent to check on local nobles. It was an early surveillance state. But after Charlemagne, chaos returned. To bring order to the Middle Ages, a new system was born. Feudalism. It was a simple trade. Kings had no money to pay their soldiers, so instead they paid with land. In exchange for this land, the warrior swore an oath of loyalty to fight for his chief. These were the mounted warriors who served a lord. The lord provided for their needs, and they provided the blood. The chaos of the tribes was replaced by the iron grip of the feudal system. Europe was no longer free. It was a hierarchy of land, loyalty, and war that would define the next 1,000 years. From the discipline of Sparta, to the fall of Rome, to the castles of the Middle Ages. That is the story of Western civilization. Thanks for watching the series.